Hi everyone, my name is Paul Jie. Today, I'm going to do the section drawing of assignment RAG 161, Building Construction. Now, I will introduce the technical drawing tools that I use in this drawing. I use set square, pencil, T-square, scale ruler and eraser. Set square is used to draw parallel lines and perpendicular lines, and also provide a straight edge at a right angle or other particular planar angle to a baseline. Besides, T-square guides the set square to draw vertical or diagonal lines. Scale ruler is a tool for measuring length and transferring measurement at a fixed ratio of length. Now, I am going to draw the foundation by using scale 1 to 30.